Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna give a lesson on how to play a recorder. I'm gonna show you how to hold the recorder and how to get a sound out of it. I'm sure if you follow the techniques and practice, you will have a lot of fun. So, first take a look at the recorder. It's a soprano recorder of Yamaha company and the model number is YRS24B. It has holes in it. That's how the sounds are made. There is one hole at the back. It is called thumb hole. We cover it with the left hand like this. So hold the recorder with the left hand and put your fingers on it like this. Now put your right hand at the bottom and cover the holes like this. When I make a sound on the recorder, I blow very gently like this. Now I want you to pick up your recorder and blow it and see if the sound matches. Let's try it together. Ready, set, gently blow. One more time. One more thing, while blowing the recorder, say two, 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 like this. It is called tonguing. I'm doing it with the tip of my tongue. Let's make 5 tonguing sounds. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'm going to play the C major scale. You know the tonic solfa, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So this is the same thing in C major scale, or you can say C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. So let's play it. Cover all the holes. Once again. For C note, we cover all the holes like this. Then we blow it and you will get the sound of C. For D note, you lift up your pinky finger of your right hand. For E sound, lift up your ring finger of your right hand. And for F note, lift up your middle finger of your right hand and Rest of the holes remain covered. For G note, lift up all the fingers of your right hand like this. For A note, lift up your ring finger of your left hand. For B note, lift up your middle finger of your left hand. And finally, for the high C, lift up your index finger, but you have to place your middle finger at this hole. So let me play it again for you. Let's play it together. Ready, set, go. This is C major scale. So practice it in a good manner. Next time I will give you some exercises for this C scale. So keep practicing. Stay healthy. God bless you.